You know, some states, well, probably every state has at least one or two weird traffic laws. And Jeff has done some research and has a feature today on weird traffic laws.
Yeah. Let's get this started. And I've got all the states handled here. And I'm just going to pick one. For instance, Alabama, there's a law that says no driving while blindfolded. Yep.
Okay.
Alaska, it's illegal to tie a dog to the roof of your car, but not your mother-in-law. I made that up. Arkansas, do not honk your horn anywhere that serves cold drinks or sandwiches after 9 p.m. Here's a good one. It's my favorite. It's against the law for a woman to drive in a house coat, and that's in California. Have you seen some of them women?
You know, you could.
No, there's no pictures. We just
the Housewives of OC.
Yeah, Kansas. You can't transport dead poultry in that state. So if you got a chicken in your trunk, you better get rid of it.
Don't put it.
Louisiana. A woman's husband is required by law to wave a flag in front of her car before she can drive it. Get the heck out of the way.
Oh, my God.
Here's a couple of my favorites. Nebraska. By law, drivers on mountains should drive with caution near the right edge of the highway, even though there are no mountains in Nebraska. So remember that. Nevada. It's illegal to ride a camel on a highway. New Hampshire. It's against the law to inhale bus fumes with the intent of inducing euphoria.
Have you ever had any fume? Well, no, I better not put that there. No, I'm not even gonna go there with the question.
I used to build models.
Oh yeah. Tester's glue.
And that's what's wrong with you now. Can you still buy Tester's glue?
I think so. Yep.
Is that the big...
Yeah, but you gotta show ID to do it.
Oh, Lord.
In New York, you're from New York. It's against the law to disrobe in your car in Sag Harbor. So
Sag Harbor. Don't disrobe in your car.
So that means you can't be saggy.
In your harbor. Oklahoma, here's another one for you, Conrad. It's illegal to read a comic book while driving.
Well, that makes sense.
Yeah, well, I don't know how many could read there, but by law in Oregon, you must yield to pedestrians when driving on the sidewalk. Who would have thought?
Driving on the sidewalk.
Tennessee, it's illegal to shoot any game other than whales from a moving car.
In Tennessee, there's so many whales in Tennessee.
Well, have you seen some of those people? Texas, you must have a windshield wiper to register a car, although having a windshield is optional. Virginia, women are prohibited from driving a car on Main Street unless her husband is walking in front of the car waving a red flag. We did that same one in Louisiana. It's against the law in Wisconsin for a person to ride a bicycle with their hands off the handlebars.
See, all those years as a kid, Don, riding it hands-free on the bicycle, you were breaking the law.
Well, yes, I was.
Yep.
That's it.